A simple curved screen. Assign a plastic material. In edit mode, select a face of the screen. Hold Ctrl-Shift to select the whole area. Ctrl+ to expand the selection. Add a new shader maker video material. A demo video appears. Press the Smart Video Start button. Copy the video stop value into the scene stop. Press the play triangle button to start the reproduction. Go to frame 50 and press video start button. Turn off video loop and copy the new end frame value. Now the video starts at frame 50 and ends at frame 181. Enable video loop again and press the reel icon to load a movie. Smart Video Start tells us that the footage ends after 6,817 frames. Like in real life, the screen is an emission with some specularity. Turning down the roughness, we can clearly see the HDRI background. Play with the values. You can even turn it completely off. You can boost the emission. Tweak the exposure. Contrast. Saturation. Add a cathodic tube effect, tweaking its intensity and scale. As any other texture, you can set values for location, rotation and scale.